Welcome to our channel, where we simplify the world of cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we'll explore some simple methods that beginners can use to earn crypto. Let's get started. Number 1, Faucets and Rewards Programs. One of the easiest ways to earn crypto is through Faucets and Rewards Programs. Faucets are websites or apps that give away small amounts of cryptocurrency for completing simple tasks or CAPTCHAs. Rewards programs, on the other hand, provide incentives for using specific platforms or services. Number 2, Microtasks and Freelancing. If you're looking for more earning opportunities, consider microtasks and freelancing. Several platforms connect individuals with small online tasks that pay in crypto. These tasks can include testing websites, completing surveys, or even doing simple data entry work. Number 3, Crypto-enabled cashback apps. Did you know that you can earn crypto while shopping online? Several cashback apps now offer the option to receive rewards in cryptocurrency. By making purchases through these apps, you can earn a percentage of your spending back in crypto. Number 4, Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is another method to earn crypto. By partnering with companies or platforms that accept crypto, you can promote their products or services using unique referral links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you receive a commission in cryptocurrency. Number 5, Cryptocurrency Mining. Lastly, let's talk about mining. While it may not be as simple as the previous methods, it's worth mentioning. Mining involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems and validate transactions on the blockchain. In return, miners are rewarded with crypto coins. That wraps up our video on simple methods to earn crypto. Whether you choose faucets, microtasks, cashback apps, affiliate marketing, or mining, remember to prioritize your security and do thorough research before getting involved. Earning crypto can be a fun and rewarding experience, especially for beginners. Start small, explore different methods, and most importantly, enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy earning in the world of cryptocurrencies.